The boom supports two vertical loads, P1 equals to 800 Newton and P2 equals to 350 Newton as shown in figure. Determine the reaction at point A and tension in cable BC. Figure is given. We have drawn the free body diagram in which we have separated the boom from the surrounding. At joint A there is a hinge support, so two reactions HA and VA. The tension in cable BC is equal to T. This cable is inclined at angle alpha with the horizontal. To find out value of angle alpha, we'll take help of this triangle. So alpha is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. On simplification, its value comes to be 36.87. So this tension T is inclined at angle 36.87 with respect to horizontal. Here the P1 and P2 force are given. So this distance, horizontal distance, P1 is at a horizontal distance 1.5 cos 30, this horizontal distance. P2 is at a horizontal distance 2.5 cos 30. Point B is above point A at a vertical distance 2.5. This is 2.5 sin 30. So now we'll apply condition of equilibrium to find out reactions and tension. So we'll apply COE. Summation Fx equals to 0. Our assumption, forces towards right are positive, forces towards left are negative. So here HE, it is going towards right, and second is the horizontal component of T, or we can say cos component of T. So HA towards right positive, this cos component of T, the T cos 36.87 equal to 0. It is going towards left, so second minus. So on simplification, this HA will be equal to, this value comes towards right and it becomes 0.8T. This is equation 1. We'll take second condition of equilibrium. Summation Fy equal to 0. Assumption, forces upward are positive, forces going down are negative. Va upward, so positive. This 800 Newton downward, so minus. This 350 downward, so minus. And vertical component of this T, that is plus T sine 36.87 equal to 0. So this on simplification will get the equation Va plus this value will keep towards left only plus 0.6T. These two terms will go towards right and it becomes 1150. Equation 2. We'll apply third condition of equilibrium, taking moment of all forces about point A equal to 0. So we are assuming clockwise movement positive, anti-clockwise movement negative. So here we are taking moment of all forces about point A. First force 800. It is at a perpendicular distance 1.5 cos 30. So we get this distance into 1.5 cos of 30. It is going to create clockwise movement, so plus. Second force is 350. This is the line of action of 350 and the perpendicular distance between line of action and point A is this distance. It is equal to 2.5 cos 30. It is going to create clockwise, so plus. Now this tension force is having two components. This horizontal component, this is a vertical component. This horizontal component is T cos alpha, that is 36.87, and it is at a distance. This distance is This is the line of action of t cos alpha, and this distance you already done into 2.5 cos of 30 degree. Now it is going to create anti-clockwise movement. So this force component is going to create anti-clockwise movement about point A. So minus. Now fourth is this t sine alpha. It is t sine 36.87, and it is at the distance. So suppose this is the line of action of this t sine alpha, and this perpendicular distance is 2.5 cos 30 degree. It is again going to create anti-clockwise, so minus, and this entire is equal to 0. We'll simplify this equation. So here there is only one unknown, which is t. So here on simplification of this entire equation, we get value of t, and it comes to be 724.01 Newton. So we got one answer. Now from 1 we get value of HE. So HE was equal to 0.8 t. T value is available. So now here 0.8 into 724.01, we get value of HE. This is 579.21 Newton. Positive value means our assumption HE towards right is correct. From 2 we get value of VA plus 0.6 into t. Value of t will put 724.01 equal to 1150. We'll get value of VA. VA value comes to be 715.59 Newton. Positive value means it is upward. Our assumption it is correct. This is the third answer. So first answer is t equal to 724.01 Newton. HA equals to 579.21 Newton towards right. VA is 715.59 Newtons upward. So these are the three answers.